Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to insert a sketch on a part. There are three planes by default: front plane, top plane, and right plane. But in some cases, we have to create a sketch on any part. Let's see how we can do this. Suppose we want to sketch on this surface. Click on this surface, and a small window will appear. The sketch icon is present in this window. But if you click on a curved surface, this icon will not be present. This is because we can only draw on plane surfaces. Let's sketch on this surface. Click on the sketch icon. Now click on Normal to Command, to get the top view of this plane. Go to Sketch and all the sketching tools will appear. Let's take a corner rectangle. When you hover the mouse in the plane, it will show relations with the profile of the 3D parts. We will create a rectangle from the center of the slot. OK. Now exit Sketch. This is how we add sketches to a part. Now let's create a circle on this face. Let's add some dimension to it. Say 60 millimeters. See, this is a sketch on a tapered plane. In our next lecture, we will see how to create features using these sketches. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.